Good afternoon and welcome to my channel, Watercolor Painting in the Afternoon. I'm Beth. Today I wanted to show you this painting that I did last night. It's kind of, I don't know, I guess it's an abstract landscape. And I thought perhaps I would try it again on the back of this actual painting. Because this is a piece of 100% cotton paper. I can use the back of it and it'll be fine. This is Strathmore's 500 series, and I've been really struggling with finding something to paint here lately, and struggling with wanting to paint. It's actually been giving me a little more stress than relief. To try to come up with something, and so I haven't done a video in a few days. And I think sometimes that when that happens, you do have to step away for a little while and just take a mental health break, as they say. There were some things that I liked about this painting and some things that I was kind of so-so about. And that's how I felt about just about everything I've painted over the last few weeks. Just nothing has stood out to me as being really something worthwhile. And I realize that that's a silly thing to say, because worthwhile means, you know, was it in the end good to do? And yes, any watercolor painting that you do is good. It's just that it wasn't self-satisfying. It didn't make me feel like I had accomplished anything. So last night I sat down and did this without much of a plan. There was a little bit of a plan, but not much. And I thought it turned out okay. I didn't like the fact that I put the tree right in the middle. So I kind of put some trees off to the side and the sun off to the side in the hopes that that would make the whole painting a little bit more balanced and a little bit less focused right in the center. But I think I'm going to do this painting here on the back, and I'll be lifting the paper up, tilting it, doing all kinds of things with it. So I hope you will just enjoy. You can paint along with me if you want to, but if you do, then just paint your own thing. You know, copying somebody else when they're doing something intuitive is difficult, to say the least, and you may want to just get inspiration from it to do your own thing later. I hope that does work for you, and I hope that you'll be able to rise above any mental health stumps that you may have bumped into, and will feel refreshed with your painting habit. And I know that that's where I'm headed as well, and I'm going to work toward that. So thank you for watching. Let's get started.